Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingSystem.com. I just woke up a little late today. It's 6 o'clock. But anyway, I was too tired. I was sleeping. I woke up with this sound here. Sound just got stopped. It's pound USD sell. So I just took this here and then I put the SL right there. All right, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna just scan the market and see if there is anything else that I miss, and if there is still a chance that I'm to get in. So I'm gonna get in quickly. Okay. Earlier I had pound Aussie and euro Aussie long on the other computer, so I can't show it to you here. So anyway, so this one I just started. So let me go and see if I can find something else. So I'll come back for more updates. Okay. Bye. Hello, everyone. I just saw this one and I said, okay, let me take it. The alarm. I don't know if it beep or not, but yeah, I just took this one as well. Sell order in place, and my SL is right there. And I'll try to get to break even as soon as possible if I get any room here, if they start moving. But so far market is very, very slow, and I'm ready to take losses because this is what it is. And the end of the year, the end of December, and right, a few days after the Christmas and a couple of days before the New Year Eve, the market is very unpredictable and it can do anything. But I want to make the video just to show you guys that how bad the time is, but I can still pull through, and my system still works, and this is how I take the trades, right? So it doesn't matter. I mean, even yesterday I had more than like 200 pip in currency pairs, and almost 120 pip the oil trade, right? So and every day I'm coming up with more than 200 pip. And the other day I had 305 pip plus, right? So even if I take few losses here, that I don't mind at all. So yeah, this is it. So let me just go back and then scan the market more, some more, set up some more trades, and the alarm is just quiet. I don't know. Maybe there is no setup right now. So this is how bad the market is. Yeah, really. It's like there is no setup here, and gotta look for something, find something, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go and then come back with more updates. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again with the update. This one is still surviving, still alive. Pound USD, right? It's going on. But let me show you the trade that I did yesterday and what happened today. Very, very nice. But sometimes you have to act very fast. So yeah, in Asian session, 2 hours in the Asian session, I took the Euro-Aussie long, but it was on the other computer, so I just took it from there, from my laptop, and I just closed it actually. Now the Euro-Aussie chart, then let me show you the chart I made first. Was this yesterday, and then I put it on my Telegram, and there that this thing is gonna drop from 58.27 to 56.54. Excuse me. And that's exactly what it did. And this was the trade I had, Euro right yesterday. I closed here, 415 pip. I took the entry here, and then this is 56.54. Now today it just came, hit this line, and start bouncing again. And this is exactly what happened. Look, where the heck is that? Okay, here, you see that? So this is exactly what had happened here. And see this is 56.54. So the trade I took is this one. This is the entry, beautiful entry here, right? So the alarm was beeping over there, and I took that one, and look at that. And I just closed it. I'm going to show you what the reason is. So from here all the way up there, 29 today, 29th, right? 95 pip. The reason that I just closed here is this. The same, excuse me, the same chart was I think that it is here. Yeah, see, this is the one I made first. So it came down all the way here, 56.54, bounce from here. The reversal candle says, okay, bye-bye. And then it reverses, right? And then it goes all the way up. Now it is back to 58, 27 and the teal. And that's why I said, you know what, enough is enough. 95 pip right off the back. Early it's 7 a.m. right now, right? So London session is almost gone, not almost, but halfway. Actually, and so, it started at 3 o'clock, so it's a 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 hour and two, and then it's a nice, beautiful trade. Pound Aussie is still there, and it is around like 50, 60 pips. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit more, and it's also on the laptop. So if there's anything that I'm going to close it around 50, 60 if it's not going more. But see, this is the reason here. Now, why is that happening is the Aussie dollar index. So Aussie dollar index, let me show it to you. This is the chart that I was watching. It came down here, and this is where it went up when the Euro Aussie dropped. And exactly from 61%, it started to drop right now, right? And Aussie going to start getting weaker, and that's why Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie went up. You understand now? So now this is getting ready to go up again if I get a reversal candle here. Or it might be usually, from 61%, it goes back to 23%, but you never know. So I have 95 pip. Okay with that. And maybe 50, 60 from Pound Aussie. I'll close that as well. And my Pound USD, my Pound Yen, they are still running, and I will be working. Until 11 o'clock, I will take the entry. So right now, 7 o'clock, so 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 4 more hours. If I find anything, I'll take it. If not, then 95 pip plus 50, 60 pip in Pound Aussie. And if Pound USD drop a little bit, this and that, maybe 100, 150 pip, and I'll close it, because this is the dangerous time. This is the slow and dangerous time. At the at the end of December, end of year, a few days before the new year, right? Everything is it's bad for trading. Nobody's trading. Volume is thin, so I'm still doing what I can do the best, right? So let's wait and see what happened next. What's next? But like I said, just show you that this is a beautiful trade. This is how it is. The short entry was here all the way down, and I told everyone that what was my target, and it hit the target and bounced exactly from there. It went up, and probably is going to drop again. And if it comes down here below 58.27 and give me a short, I will take a short. Why? Because the reason is that if I show you the weekly chart of, see, this is what's happening. So it's all the way up, posting a divergence. The weekly chart is just messing around here, 58.27, and this trend line. And if anything, it's going to drop. Okay. So I'm waiting for that short again, start to go down, and I'll get in. All right. So I'll be back with more updates. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again with the updates. So Pound USD not moving, but I moved my SL to 15 pip now, 14 or 15 pip risk. So let's see what happens. It may drop, it may not. If it's gonna drop, the target would be this 1950, 96, 1957, and this will be from my entry to this is gonna be 75 pips. I already wrote everything down, right? Calculated and everything. Similarly, Pound Yen is also going down slowly. It's just dragging, right? And from here, from my entry to this target, 60.10 is also 75 pips. So I wrote down that, and I'm preparing for that. And these two are running. I closed the other Pound Aussie from the other computer. Let me show you where it is. Is this one? Yeah, Pound Aussie. So this is the one I close over there on my laptop. Buy order here, right? For 60 pip. And then Pound, the Euro Aussie I earlier showed you was 95 pip. So 95 plus 60 is 155 pip positive. I already closed so far, no losses. And this is the Pound Aussie. Let me show you here. This is how it is, right? So this is the one I took, but on the other computer. And I closed it already because you see this wobbling going on right now. So I said, not going nowhere. And then Aussie dollar is dropped already, and it might go up and get strong, and then it's going to push this thing down. Other than that, Pound CAD has become bullish. It's not coming down. It's a very nice 40-minute short setup, by the way. and it may drop and then give me a 20-minute later on. Other than that, EUR-AUD is also it went up, but I don't want to go long on this one because you know why. My weekly chart is all the way to the upside and very strongly. Let me show you the weekly chart. Looks scary to go long, to be honest with you. Pound CAD, EUR-AUD, only short for me. Nothing else. Okay. See pound CAD, this is how it is. So 63.88, it will go back to 62.33 and maybe even lower than that. EUR-CAD is also scary. It's all the way up here. I don't want to go long here. Sorry. So I'm gonna be waiting for that. As a USD CAD, on the other hand, I want to see a long, and then it might go up and then make the 37.93 or to the TL or even go higher towards 78%. Because of maybe the USD strength will be coming in soon. USD strength, see this USD index went up and then now it's bullish and sideways going up. So this could be wave 1, 2, and then followed by wave 3 to the upside. Who knows? Weekly chart is strongly suggesting that we should go up, right? So it dropped big time here, bouncing from the TL in the 1026, 3 weeks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 3 weeks. The last third last week was the one that touched the TL. We bounced, then we tried to come back, then we got pushed back up again, and then this candle today, not today, this week, also went down, but got pushed back to the upside. So it's a strong move to the upside. Not as strong, but yeah, it's a move to the upside. So good chance that it might just go over there. There is no news schedule. There is nothing, and volume is very thin. Anything can happen, but this is the technical side. So I'm just showing you that this is what it is, and I'm expecting that maybe USD CAD will give me later on. Similarly, USD Yen, I'm expecting long. Here you can see this, right? Because of USD strength. So if USD gets strong, I may get USD Yen long and USD CAD long. And also Euro Yen is also a very good candidate to go short. You see that? But it is just keep going up again. I don't know what the heck he wants to do. But I would not go below, short below 0635. So I need a short setup below 0635. It wants to go long, it can go 1000 pip. I would not touch it. Only short here on this pair. So these things I'm waiting. And if that happens, I will be jumping all over the place. But again, like I said, there are 2 days, today's 29, 30, 31st, and then you have what? The new year, Christmas just went by, and the traders are not there. The smart money is not there. The volume is not there. So it's risky environment, but I got 155 so far out, and I'm risking like 30 pip, 30, 35 pip right now. Not bad, huh? I may be not getting into any other entry today. If it's 8 o'clock right now, right? Then US session opens 9:30 and 10, 11. If until 11 o'clock, if I don't get any of these entries or any reversal, or my pound USD and pound yen doesn't go nowhere, I will close those with a little bit of profit there, maybe 10, 15 pip here, there, right? And I'm up 155, so no complaint whatsoever. All right, so I'll be back with more updates soon. Hello, everyone. I'm here again with a little update. My pound USD, as soon as 8:30 happened, some volume comes usually at 8:30, right? So USD got weaker a little bit, and boom, 15 pip SL gone, right? It's still bearish. You might get a entry later on again, but that's what happened when you are very close to your entry, and then when session opens up, and it's not the session open, but 8:30 usually you have some kind of news, and for that everything reacts, right? And then 9:30 the session open, same thing. So this happened. So this one is gone 15 pips. I was up 155 minus the 15 pip here. That is 140. So I'm up 140 now, and I have this pound yen still running, right? Now with the USD weakness and pound USD going up, my other USD yen, even though I was expecting a long, but it started beeping for the short, and I took that one quickly. And this is how it's going right now. This was a short setup here, right? So it's just, okay, let's just take that stupid thing and then see what happens. So far, I moved a little bit. My SL is right. It's only 11 pip here, right? And it's going down here now. So let's see if this goes a little bit more, maybe I'll just close this one as well and get my 15 pip back there from there and some more, right? Or maybe USD gonna get more weaker, but yen, I'm expecting the yen strength, and yen might get strong. It is getting strong, by the way. Let me show you here. No, not here. Probably on this one. Oh, come on. See, USD is dropping, USD getting weaker. So the USD yen might go down a little bit more. So USD getting weaker, but yen on the other hand, yen 30-minute. Oh man, see, this yen dropping means yen getting strong, right? So this was here, and then all of a sudden it start to move, and then see it's coming down. So if it goes down here somewhere there, yen is gonna get stronger. USD yen might give me some good amount of pippage. Right. So this is, and then if yen gets strong, my pound yen is gonna go down as well. All right. So I have those running. Pound USD gone, USD getting weaker, so I'm not gonna bother with that going short again. It's not gonna give me any short entry anyway. I know that, and so yeah. So this is what's happening here. See the yen getting strong, and then this USD yen just keep trying to go down. So we'll go down. Pound yen is gonna go down. Right, and let's see what happens. So 140, remember 140, I'm up 140 now between Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, and these two running Pound Yen and USD Yen short. Let's go back, and I'll be back with more updates. Hello everyone, Simon here again. What am I gonna do is that I'm up at 140, right? 140, and then see this USD yen, I don't like this, and right now I'm up like 30, 31, 32 pip. So let's say 30 pip here. So 30 would be the 140, and 30 would be 170. So I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to let the pound yen running. Okay, so let me go do that, and then I'll come back. So 170, I'm up right now. Remember that 170. I'm going to close that. Getting again, no more new entry. I'm up 170 pip already. And this is if this pound yen is still going nicely towards my target. And right around here, it would be 75 pip if it hit this 60-10 area, right? So 170 plus 75, that would be 245, right? So I think I'm probably gonna close. If I hit this, I'm not gonna make any more entry. I'm gonna close the day. 245 pip for a day is more than enough, and now I'll just enjoy the rest of the day. All right, and if I see something really strong, like if USD takes off, I just noticed that in 8:30 there was a USD news, and it was kind of like a bad news. That's why I start getting weaker again, and my pound USD got hit, the SL, right? So no big deal, no problem. All right, so I'm gonna move this SL versus, I don't know why it's going up now, pound yen, right? So I don't want to take a chance. I'm going to sit on a break even. If worse come to worse, if this come and hit my SL, I'm up 170 pip, no big deal, right? But I'm not going to close it until I hit this target. So let's see what happens. If maybe I'll get any other entry. 9:30 usually when the session opens up. After that, around 10 o'clock, usually I get some good entries. But let's see what happens. All right. So I'll be back with more updates. This is the only one I have running right now, by the way. USDN is closed. Everything is closed. 170 pip positive plus this one. So let's go and take care of some other business, and I'll be back with more updates. Okay, guys. What the hell with it? This first entry got knocked out at 15 pip. Now it'll start beeping again for pound USD. See that short setup? So I said, take a chance. What's up? I'm up 170 pip already. So let's see what happened, right? So I took this entry as well, and I'm gonna move my SL right here again. Let's see what happened, right? So how much is the SL now? You see that? It's 28. So let me just here probably 27 pip, right? I mean 25 pip. So I just want to stay, around 25 pip. That's it. Again, my target is 150, I mean 1957, this line here. I'm not getting it. Before I didn't get it. This time here, I didn't get it. Maybe this time. Let's see what happened, right? So I have a room. I have 170 pip up. This one is going down. Well, I'm starting to go down, right? I just made the entry, and pound yen coming here. And if I come here to the 6010 area, that would be 75 pip. So I'll see on the other computer, what's the range, because the range is also I think it's like around 160, 170 pip. And from the top to bottom, how much it has done already. So let's say this is the top, and this line here is going to be 160 pip, right? So how much is the range for pound yen? Pound yen range is, whoa, okay. Pound is like 216 pip range. And yesterday I did 193, and current day is 122, right? So we have a long way to go, actually. So where should I go? 60, 10 is this number. And below that, all the way is 59.40. So 59.40. And let's say this is started to 69.40, and the high is 61.70. So 59 for the 60, 170, and 60. Okay. Yeah. So that would be the daily range around 59.40. But that's too much, So I don't want that. I don't need that much. I don't want to put everything at risk. So let me see where. Maybe it's not 60, 10, maybe a little bit lower, right? Where can we go? Let's keep going down. What is this kind of low here? 72. Maybe 59, 72. Yeah. I'm going to let it run a little bit. As long, well, when I see a reversal candle, I may close. What the hell with it? Okay. Let's see. So not here, but now see the red candles now? Let's see if I pass the 60-10. You know what? Forget about everything. 75 pip, I'm going to close. That's it. I don't want no headache. So that would be 245 plus this stupid thing I got in again. Let's see if it gives me minus 25, or should drop here. I don't know, but all right. So yeah, I'm gonna go, and then I'll come back and update you again. Pause. Hello, everyone. All right. So this second pound USD entry gone bad as well. So 170 minus 25. So I'm back to 145 now. Okay, so 145, I'm positive 145, and pound yen is running. That's all. This is the only one I'm running right now, maybe 30, 40 positive. And the pound, I think, is getting strong, and this thing is going up for some reason. So let's see, even if I get out here, break even, right? Then I still have 145 for the day, and I think that I will just say bye-bye to Thursday. That would be the end of it. So 145, that's fine. Because, that's okay. That's even better, but much, much better considering this is the end of year, December, a couple of days after the Christmas, a couple of days before the New Year Eve, all of that. The volume is not there, and that's it. So 145 I'm sitting on with this trade running. Let's see what happened. I'll be back. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. My target is hit 60.10, 75 pip. I'm going to close now. And 145 and 75. No, 140 and 75. So you can put it together, right? So that's what I have for the 50, 220 pip. All right. So I'm going to close this one. And that would be, I'll come back with the updates. Okay, everyone, I'm back here again. I closed this one around 75 pip. As I mentioned, my target was 60.10 and it is hit, right? So I had 145 before. I had 170 minus the 25 from pound USD. That was 145 and this 75. So that's 50 and then 220. The 220 pip, I'm closing the day. Auto refresher. All right, so I'm gonna finish trading today, and even though my pound USD gave me 2 negative, but look, it came down, but it's not dropping, so what the hell with it. And USD yen, I closed here and it dropped here, but no regret. 220 pip, that's fine. Thursday, 2 days before the New Year, and a couple of days after the Christmas. This is excellent, right? I'm gonna close the video and then send it out, and that's it. And let's see if tomorrow is gonna be the same, right? At least I'll be looking for maybe 100 pip, if not more. Okay, so bye for now and talk to you guys tomorrow.